So I think I'm about to buy my first Gucci bag. Hey guys, I'm Mykia and welcome to my channel. On my channel you can find a variety of things such as travel vlogs, weight loss, inspiration, lifestyle, shopping hauls. It's just a mixture, you know. And if you clicked on this video, then obviously you're interested and you're here for a reason. So go ahead, that subscribe button if you're new. And if you're not new, thanks for tuning back in. I truly appreciate y'all. My little channel is growing so fast and I am so here for it. So as you can already tell by the title, today's going to be an unboxing, y'all. I bought my first Gucci bag. Yes, like I bought my first Gucci bag. Like I'm so excited. I've been looking at this bag for literally like 2 months now, and I was just like, let me just go ahead and get it. It was really a spur of the moment thing, and I vlogged the process, so I'm going to insert the vlog footage here. So I think I'm about to buy my first Gucci bag. Y'all, I have been looking at this bag for about 2 months now. I've been looking at it, going on the website, looking at it. I can imagine myself wearing it, and I'm just like, I love it. Like, I love it. And when you're making like an expensive purchase like that, it's just something that you think about, like, could I be spending my money on something better? You know, like I feel a little bit guilty, like, oh, like I could just be spending my money on something so much better. I could be paying something, I could be helping somebody, I could, you know, it's a million things you think about. But at the same time, I think about it like I wake up every day at 5 a.m. to go to work. You know, like I'm working for a reason, to get what I want, to get the things that I want, to get the things that I desire, and also to do the things that I have to do, you know, like my priorities. Like buying a bag isn't a priority, but it's something that I like. I love bags. Like I always said that I want to be a bag collector. I have a lot of, you know, nice designer bags. I just like bags. Like, you know how some people just have their things. Like some people like shoes. And mine is just like purses. Like I love a good designer bag. And I mean, how can you blame me, you know? But yeah, so I have to go to Tyson's Corner, which is a mall, for my friend's birthday dinner today. And there's a Gucci store at Tyson's. So I'm just like, is that a sign? Like, should I just go ahead and get the bag that I've been looking at for like 2 months? I mean, it's very expensive, but it's something that I've just been thinking about, and I feel like I'm not going to be satisfied until I get it. So it's just like, just go get it. And then on top of that, y'all, on top of that, I called the store. I called the Gucci store to see if they had it in stock, and they only got one left. So like, is that one for me? Like, you know how you just try to put the pieces together? Like, is that one for me? Like, I feel like it's for me. Like, you only got one. Like, I mean, obviously God wanted me to get it because he was saving it for me. So yeah, I called the Gucci store. They got one left in stock and they holding it for me. So hopefully I love it as much in person as I do online. And I'm on my way to the store. Like, I'm on my way. So I was like, let me just go ahead and start this vlog because like I'm buying my first Gucci bag from the Gucci store. So it's just like, vlog. Okay, so yeah, this is the start of the vlog and I'm on my way to the Gucci store. Comment down below and guess, before you watch the rest of the video, which bag I'm about to get. If you know Gucci and you think you know what bag I'm about to get, comment down below. But yeah, I'm excited, so stay tuned for the rest of the vlog. I do not need to be vlogging and driving, so I'll talk to y'all when I get there.
Nowadays, it's grown expensive.
So I just got in the mall and I parked right here, so I know where the Gucci store is, and my shoes are loud as hell, and people are looking at me, but hey, there's a Gucci store. So it's lit. Hey. All right, y'all. I'll be back. Here. So y'all, I got it. I got it, guys. Mission accomplished. Now I'll update y'all when I get in the car. Safe and sound. So y'all, I just got it. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited, y'all. I'm so excited. So number one is I'm pissed I couldn't record in the store. I mean, I kind of figured I wasn't gonna be able to record. So yeah, I tried to get like a quick little Snapchat. I tried to get like a quick little video, but I could not record in the store, y'all. So nobody was there to witness it because I'm by myself right now. But yeah, I got it, y'all. I got it. Let me calm down. I called everybody while I was in the store. I called my uncle while I was in the store. Asked him, you know, like, what you think? It's looking good on me, right? He like, yeah, you work every day. You might as well get it. I called my best friend. She like, girl, just get it. Like, it's fire. So I just was super excited. So I was just like, let me just get it. So yeah, I'm so excited, y'all. I'm so pissed I couldn't capture that moment on film because it just like, it's my first Gucci bag. Like, making boss moves, you know. So yeah, I'm so happy, y'all. As you can see from the clips, I didn't vlog a whole lot, but I was so excited, y'all. So let's get into this unboxing. Are y'all ready for this? Like, I don't even think that y'all ready. Are y'all ready? So this is the bag that I got from the Gucci store. It is freaking huge, y'all. Like, literally so big. And the bag is not even that big. So this bag is tricking you. I don't want y'all to think I got no daggone $5,000 bag on that, because I definitely don't. But it's cute and it's everything that I wanted. So this is the box that it came in. Super cute. Got a little ribbon on it. I wonder if I can just slide the ribbon off instead of untying it. Oh yeah, okay. So I don't even know why I'm nervous, because I've already seen the bag, like, but here it is. So you open it and it's just wrapped in like tissue paper. And it is in the dust bag. It's in the Gucci dust bag. And here she is. Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh my gosh, like, she is so lit. She is so cute. Oh, look at her. Wow, sis. Sis is cute. So according to Gucci's website, this is the Dionysus GG Supreme Chain Wallet. The description says, a structured GG Supreme canvas chain wallet with our textured tiger head super closure. And that is why they call it the Dionysus, because it has like the tiger head on the closure. I'm going to give you guys a 360 look at this bag. And it's a wallet on a chain. It's actually a lot of slots in this bag. There's a slot for money here. There is 16 card holders, so you don't even have to have a wallet in this purse, because you can just put your cards and your ID and your credit cards directly in the card slots, and there's 16 slots. There's an opening here where you could just put your phone and your keys. Another opening here where you could put anything that you want. And another opening here where you could put more stuff. And then these are just all the Gucci cards and stuff that came with the bag. And then there is this zip closure piece where you can put like change or anything of that sort. So this purse really does have a lot of compartments. And then back here is another compartment where you could just put like cash. And there's some more like Gucci cards in there. So this purse really is like, it's a small bag. This is a small bag, but it really has so much space. And I was in need of something like this. Like I said, I've been looking at this bag for like 2 months now. Recently, my mom got the Chanel wallet on a chain. And ever since she got that, I just been like, oh my gosh. I'm not really a big Chanel fan. But I was just like, oh my gosh. Like, that is like the perfect summer bag. It's so chic. It's so cute. And it's so small and petite. I want to show y'all the whole thing. But y'all gonna see my ghetto setup. Excuse the background. You can't see outside of my backdrop. But I wanted you guys to see the full look. I can wear it as a shoulder bag on either shoulder, or I can wear it as a crossbody. And let me show you guys something else. I can also carry it as a shoulder bag. I seen a girl do this on YouTube and I thought it was so cute. So she just wrapped her chain around here and then pulled it, and then you can carry it as a little, ooh, look at that, look at her, cute as ever. So as you can see, I can carry this about 3 different ways. So when I was in the store, I initially went there to get the nude print, and so it would have been nude on the siding and inside of the purse. All of this would have been nude, the interior and everything. But when I was talking to the sales associate, he asked me, you know, like, would you want me to be honest with you? And I'm like, yeah, like, I'm spending my coin. Be honest with me, baby. Like, this is my first Gucci bag. Be honest with me. So he was like, he wouldn't go for the nude because, you know, over time with wear and tear, the interior will be dirty. And I was just like, that makes sense. Like, the nude was cute, but yeah, ain't nobody got time to, you know, you throw everything in your purse, pens and lip gloss and lotion and everything. So I was like, he's absolutely right. So I opted to go for the black because, you know, black goes with everything and it won't be dirty. So I'm so excited for this purchase. I think this was a great purchase. I don't regret it at all. Usually when I purchase things that, you know, are a little pricey, I always like regret it, but I don't regret it at all. I'm super excited. I can't wait to wear this. I think I might actually wear it tonight. I mean, is that press or not? Like, comment down below if you think that that's press. But I mean, I spent my hard-earned money on this shoe. I'm gonna wear it when I want to wear it, you know? This bag is so versatile. I think that it's timeless for sure. And it's very classic. And I love it. Again, this bag is the Gucci GG Supreme chain wallet. So that is the unboxing of my new bag, my first Gucci bag, and I'm so happy that I was able to take you guys along through this process with me. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, because if you watch this whole video, you obviously interested in your girl. So go ahead and subscribe and hit that thumbs up button. Just like DJ Khaled says, don't listen to they, okay? Because they meaning everybody who tells you not to do something because they wouldn't do it, because they will have you out here miserable and making the decisions that they want to do, not what you want to do. Do things for you, not them. Like I always say, if nobody told you they love you today, just know that I love you. From the bottom of my heart, I love you and I'm rooting for you. And until next time, guys, peace.